Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'll be going through on how to use a stock screener to filter out companies that meet certain fundamental criteria. Just a basic criteria. First of all, I'll be using Finviz. Yes, you can just type search. So we'll be going to screener and fundamental. So as you can see now, the total companies listed here is 7,697. So the basic criteria that I want to put in would be the company have earning per share for the past 5 years. This is the basic criteria. So we want a positive earning per share for the past 5 years. And then for the next tab 5, and you want to have a sales growth, positive revenue growth. This is a very basic criteria. As you can see, as I put in all the criteria, the total companies that they filter out has been reduced. So now
At SCB, we want to become much more digital bank, looking at facial recognition.
As of now, they actually filter out 1,000 to almost less than 1,005 from 7,000 companies. So yep, this is all for today. This is just by putting in certain basic criteria. I have a more strict criteria that I do follow. So I'll put the list, the criteria that I've been using in the description below. Thank you.